Do you want your videos to look cinematic and dynamic? Let's talk about speed ramping.
Definition of speed ramping. Speed ramping is a video editing technique where you can change the speed of a clip dynamically, speeding it up or slowing it down. Why is it used? Number one, it adds drama, emphasizes action, creates a cinematic flow. So, how it works? Number one, slow motion makes an action feel dramatic. Fast motion show time passing quickly or add energy. Ramp transition gradual change from fast to slow or vice versa. Tools you can use, we have free and pro editors. Number one, you can use CapCut. It is free and beginner friendly. Number two, you can use DaVinci Resolve. It is free and professional. You have Adobe Premiere Pro, all those for the speed and So step by step example.
As I've said earlier, you can make use of any app, but I'm using inshot for this. Import your clip into the timeline. Enable speed. So when you enable speed, there's a part inshot has made it very easy for us just go to curve. So when you enable curve, you can change it dynamically. You add speed points, make it slow, make it speed. Do it smooth the transition using the graph editor. Then you preview it, you took it. Now you have your video speed ramped. That's all.
Tips and tricks. Don't overdo it. Subtle ramp, professional sync, slow motion moments with beats in music. Use motion blur to make fast sections smooth. Try speed ramping in your next video and make it cinematic. Comment your first attempt below.